All right, guys, we got a stuck semi over here. He pulled over, he got snowed in. We're gonna try and help him dig out a little bit. But he said he's fully loaded. This thing's heavy. All we have is the Jeep, so, you know, I'm a 1/10 of the way to this guy at best. We're gonna try and dig this out a little bit, bump him with the kinetic rope. Now, all I have on me is a 1-inch kinetic rope. It's rated for 33,000 pounds. It's old, it's dirty, it's got hundreds and hundreds of pulls on it, and it's frozen, but you know what? I don't know if it'll work, but we're at least gonna try and help. And I hooked him up with a set of Rhino gloves. He's out here digging with a freaking dustpan with no gloves on. So we gave him some shovels, gave him some gloves. We'll try and give him a quick bump. Turn the wheel, there you go. All right, hang tight.
Packing it down. Preparation. It helps. Yeah, no, that's, hey, all preparation.
Right. There's one more right here. We're good, dude. I think we're good. Yeah, right there. Just hold that line. Once you see me move, give her the beans, dude. Right there. You ready? Yep.
Wait. Go, 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 go! Go! You gotta float, you gotta hit it while he's going. All right. Oh, wait. Hey, wait. Whoa, careful. You're still hooked up. Okay, tell me when you're ready. You ready? Wait. Car's coming. Just tell me when you're ready. You ready? Get it in. Are you ready? All right, go. 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 Yep, go. There you go. Keep going. All right. Okay. Yep. Go. All right, one more time. Yeah, go. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Hit it. Yeah, bro.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Hey, turn the wheel that way for me.
Turn the wheel left.
Jeep that could, brother. There we go.
Cowboys, let's see. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe
Hell yeah,
to our
dude.
channel, though,
I
now,
got you.
dude.
I'm gonna do it.
That shit fucking good, dude.
Guys, again, that is a 1-inch, 33,000 pound Rhino rope. This is not even a new one. This thing's used and abused. And you can get your own right on Amazon. They have a lifetime warranty. And, man, it's hard to beat, dude. It allows a smaller, lighter vehicle to pull out something big and heavy like that. Listen for him. He's gonna tell you when to go. Put it in reverse. Is this automatic?
Yeah.
You don't have lockers on it or nothing, huh?
Nah.
All right, well, just put it in reverse, and then when I start going, you got to give it gas.
Alright.
You don't have time to coach.
Keep your wheel straight. Make sure it's straight. It's easier to pull when you're straight.
Okay.
He's gonna test out the rope to see how far the rope goes, and then he'll pull. I'll tell you when to go. So you might feel a little tug, but it's not gonna be. All right. All right, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yep, keep going.
No, it's too easy, bro. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Rhino USA. No, they just got one-wheel drive, dude. We got one-wheel drive. Some of them have lockers where they can engage all four wheels. Pull it. It's free.
He's surprised. He doesn't think you could pull it with that.
Yeah. Park. Park. Put it in park. Turn the wheel this way, all the way. Okay. Back over there.
Yep.
Hey. How much does this weigh? Are you loaded? It's empty. Okay. All right, tell him to give it gas.
Put it in drive. All right, drive. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Drive. Yep. Stop, stop, stop. Come back. Go, go, go. Wait, wait, wait.
Stay down there.
Okay, stop, stop. Yep, you're good. You're good.
Wow.
Are you surprised?
Of course.
Awesome.
Too easy, bro. Too easy. You guys got to get yourself one of these Rhino ropes. It just makes life simple. Straight, straight. More. All right, now come forward a little faster. Go, 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 go. All right, now back. Come back. Yep. Turn your wheel all the way that way. Yep, yep, yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. All right, you're good.
He's stuck. Help him out.
I don't even think I pulled that. You want to keep going?
Yeah, go, go, go.
go super slow.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll do that thing.
Yeah, just keep that wheel facing him.
I got
To your right a little bit. Yeah, right there. Alright, gas or no gas, sorry. You're in neutral?
I'm in drive.
Oh, drive. Stop.
We're gonna have to dig under that one. You got my shovel?
Oh.
Am I on it?
Yeah, no, you did it.